trap and take over.
Okay, whoa. You gotta bring that back.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gonna hold it.
What's up, Vanity Mafia? We're back at it with the back at it. You know how I am. So today I'm gonna be getting my nails done because they're extremely overdue. It's tragic. Look at them. Y'all see that? Y'all can see? Camera, focus. Nail bits, cuticles, just a mess, child, a mess. So my nail tech got back from vacation, so you already know he about to slay this. You feel me? And then yeah, we might pop out. It ain't no might, we is popping out.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Who am I kidding? So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch the process, give y'all a little montage, and y'all know what to do. If y'all like this kind of content, you gotta comment down below so you get more. And if y'all want more minutes, comment more minutes. Simple. And if you haven't already, what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of the Vanity Mafia, because I mean, it's lit over here. Content back to back. Soon I'll be giving y'all my schedule for when I'll be uploading, but enough all that chit chat. We don't really do that on this channel. Let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, moral of the video is play with your nail tech, not mine. You see how we coming. Y'all seen how we coming. Don't play with me. Y'all want more nail videos? Comment down below and let me know y'all want more nail videos. Simple. And that's on dra. Like you feel me? Like the vibes is different now. I'm a different person now that I got my nails done. We're not chatting, we're popping out. That's that. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. It's good for your edges. Y'all know some of y'all need them.
Like you better by my side. I truly believe that you listen when they try and pull you in. I'll be the first one down to ride. You know I got you, you got me, because I can take some more.